20 something something. The Romulans fresh on our tail. We're installing a viewport into the Haas CNC machine. We're into problem 872. Unforeseen difficulties.
Our defroster broke down.
And we got to put this on. So I asked specifically for the bolt-on version because the glue-on version, I mean, bolts are better than glue. Am I right? I'm right. Unless you're talking about bolts through ballistic glass. Son of a diddly. We got the proper German Sikaflex. They do make a good schmoo, them Germans. So this had to go to, what do you call that when you get a rock chip? The sunglass hut in order to get this stuff. She fucking cost you an arm and a dick, but yeah, you want something stuck proper, you got to talk to the Germans. It's not going to be too hot, is it? So it chooches instantanément.
It might.
What is with the hobo chic? You fucking look like you work for a living or something. Don't people in Vancouver look down your nose? Is that kind of what?
Only every day.
This guy doesn't have a trust fund.
Let the goo flow.
And I'm spent.
Well, I got a shipwright friend who's probably going to fire me right after he sees me do this.
Friends off. It's official. Hold on. Safety first. The future is bright, Dewclaw. Gotta wear shades. Oh, yeah.
Looking good is safe. All right, ready?
Ready.
Proceed.
Proceed. Release the schmoo. Bigger the gob, the better the job.
Okay.
Anytime now.
All right. I'm going to abort for a second.
Abort. The dinkus end wasn't large enough. Story of Dewclaw's life. Let me tell you, this guy, he's a fucking machine. Which, when you got a dick like a needle, you kind of got to fuck like a sewing machine. One of these days, I'm gonna wake up with teeth down my throat, Dewclaw standing over me saying, I forgive you. It's supposed to get easier. Let's get some fancy dolly shots here. Oh, too far. Never has so little been done by so many. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Me and you, Dewclaw, we do the work of one man.
125%. Oh, divided by 2.
Okay, so Dewclaw's gonna put the dick in the vise while I got some...
What's up with this, man? There's a bit of an angle on this dangle. I thought
No, that's not a fault. It's a feature. The problem here is right up here. That's the problem, right there.
Too many A's.
Can I see your ticket? Are you qualified for this?
Special technique here.
Measuring once and cutting twice, and the Jesus thing was still too short.
Since I don't care about much of anything, I'm gonna give this a try.
Click. Like you say, smarter, not harder. Move that back. Like so. There we go. Well, I guess I should hit the E-stop pendant. I don't like cleaning up grease stains.
1.5 inches. 1 inch. 1/2 inch.
Now the most exciting and entertaining part of this entire video. We wait. Fucking Alec chickens. Always need a bigger hammer. It's Glove and Boots, Nipex Theater. What are you compensating for?
Not my penis.
The day is the morrow while she's colder than a whore's heart. I think the stuff is good and wellly chooched. We'll flash it up, see what happens. Dewclaw, it would seem as though I'm just about as smart as you look. How are we gonna get the masking tape from inside of her? Oh, you turn your back and the old Dewclaw fingers it out. Hit it! Before you go installing something expensive on your machine, you might want to read the manual. I know it's like cheating, but in this case, it probably would have saved us a bit of fucking around. Thanks for watching. Give your dick an advice.